Hello guys, today we are nothing going to discuss. I'm just showing my first project on Django, and I think a series of Django is going on, and I will show you what project we are going to build on that series. So I completed my first project finally. So that is an site called Learning Log where you can register. Where there is a here, by clicking register you can register. So I will show you how to register on my site. So simply by your username, I am just creating scribble gmail.com, and I'm just sorry. You can also register in same way, and by clicking on register you will register. And now here I have to uh, reiterate my design, so I will do it in upcoming mm, days. So by clicking on topic here you are able to see that it by clicking on a new topic you will register what mm, mm, what new you learned today. So I just say I deployed my project on Heroku that provides free deployment. So just I learned about Heroku, and in Heroku what particular thing I learned, I just click on Heroku, and in that what particular thing I learned, I learned about how to create Heroku. Heroku create is the command is a command by which you can create an app, by which you can create app on Heroku. And I will I learned how to log in. Just it's very simple on Heroku by using Heroku login on your command prompt. I will able to log in, or and I learned so many things. So I just mm, done with it, and I click on add entry, and you are able to see that inside my Heroku topic it is showing Heroku entry, and I can uh, able to edit my that particular entry too. And just I say 3, and I will edit by upcoming day. So I just save it, and you are able to see that here 3 is added. So it's a simple app, web app, on which you add topics uh, to keep your learning log, and you can add entries inside one topic, or you can add multiple topics, and you can edit entry. And here is a system how to log in and log out, and it provides particular logout button here. And while just clicking your logout, it is showing you have been logged out, thank you for visiting. And when I click try to access my topics, then it is showing login first. So I simply again log in for you. It's I think creole.sam 79 at the rate gmail.com. And I will just trying to log in, and I will show you. Yeah, that's why I intensely entered my wrong password. So you are able to see that it is simply showing an error message that I please enter a correct username and a password. So you can able to means you are getting how it is checking username when I the password which I entered while login, or mm, it is matching with the hash of that password which I entered while registering my account. So that's it. So I will complete that series of lecture on Django, and we will going to build that project. So that's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day. And if you like my video, then please like it and share with your friends so that they can also build an awesome app for learning log or for different things. Thank you and have a nice day.